guys, welcome to my video. So today I will be presenting to you my fidget toys. So let's start for the bubble wrap. Yep. I think it's finished. I'll save some for later. Okay, so let's move on to the pea poppers. Let's start with this one. Where's the face? It's here. Here. You can pop the other sides. Yep, this is broken. So let's go for the other one. Under the bubble wrap. Okay, so this is not broken. Let's go. Pop this one. Here's the cute little face. Done. You can pop the other sides. Okay, so let's go for the fidget spinners. And the other fidget spinner right here. Just wait, let me fix it. This is kind of broken. Before it was like keep on going and going, but now it stops. Like that. So let's go for the simple dimples that I made. It's kind of not so loud, but okay. So let's move on to the other simple dimple. This is a little bit loud. Okay, so let's go for the mochis. The 4 mochis aligned together. Okay, let's go. The 2 bears. One is white, one is purple. Okay, so let's go for the water dragon. I mean sea dragon, because it looks like a seahorse. Blop, blop. Mixed with a dragon. And then here's the pink unicorn. So let's go for the puppets now. This Rainbow Among Us puppet. I'll leave it like that so that we know that we don't have to play it again. So let's go for the square one. Okay, so let's go for the squishies. Okay, so let's start with the first one that I made. This cloud squishy, cute one. The stuffing is tissue. Yes, yes. This looks like the nose. See, with that. Okay, so let's go for the s'more. Inside this plastic hard one. I think I overfilled it, so that's why it's not so squishy. It can't rise up again, so you've got to rise it up. And lastly, the taro milk tea squishy, yay! With the cloud sticker on it. This is my favorite one. Okay, so that's it for my squishies. It's rolling away. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye guys, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos. Bye. Why isn't it ending?